We must go back to the very beginning. Before there was actually light in the world, there was darkness. Te kore and te pō. Te kore and te pō was uncomfortable. It was cold, it was wet. It was not a place that was conducive to thinking forward. Our pre-human ancestors began to organise order, and there was a collaboration of ideas between the atua. How can we create the existence of light? After the discussions and the debate, there was an agreement, and Tāne was the one that said, yes, I can separate our father Ranginui at Tūnei and our mother Papatūānuku at Takotoakene. And of course there were those of his brothers who were sceptical, those who were supportive, and those who weren't so fussed about one way or another. Just like the character of our tribalness and our relationships now as hapu. And so the attempt was made, and Tāne pushed with all his might and was successful for a split second. When it happened, in the east there was a glimmer of light, the dawn, te whēau. The light began to stream into the world, and every one of our pre-human ancestors, the atua, experienced for the first time the potential of day, the opportunity for a new way of existing. Of course, Ranginui and Papatūānuku, they didn't want that. And so at the very split second that light entered and washed the world with light, they grabbed each other and pulled each other close again, and darkness reigned. The atua got together and decided that was successful for a split second. How do we make that a long-lasting success? And so they collaborated, just in the way that we as tribal people must collaborate with our whanaunga and our huanga, our hapu.